Hey YouTube, Luke here, QC3D. Hey, we're going to take a late night tour of the print shop so far. Well, I guess and the kids' toy room. We're in the new house. Things are still boxed, going away. Toys are everywhere. No basement remodeling has begun yet. Let's head back to what will be, or currently is, the print shop and take a look. So this back corner here, where this orange kid blockade is, there will be a wall with a door entering into the print shop, and across here will be a wall as well. In the silver lined room will be my office area and lounge. And then back here is all print shop, workshop space. So what we have going so far down here is a temporary setup. What I mean by temporary is we have a extension cord draped across to a panel outlet. Haven't had time to install outlets yet. We've got 4 printers going here, another Prusa Mini going upstairs in my home office, and the King Room's down for now, but that's probably going to start picking up some slack tomorrow and some other items. That's usually my TPU machine, but I don't sell a whole lot of TPU items, so it's going to pick up some PLA items tomorrow, because I'm getting backlogged. We are selling a lot. I might even have to break out that old Ender 3 there. So everything's just kind of clumped in the middle of the room here for now, just to share power and keep my walls clear. So when I do start finishing here, I can finish these walls out easier. But so let's take a look around here. These new Home Depot countertops I got here, these things are nice. I want to get a couple more. They seem nice and rugged. They can use a little more support across them. I'm going to build some kind of shelf or something there eventually. But got 2 of those. I think I'm going to pick up another 2 more. Just have another one for printers and have another one for assembly or shipping, because you'll see here we're kind of sharing assembly shipping space on the other side of the room. Got a lot of shelves. Kind of picked up a couple of these shelves here from a relative that was selling them on Facebook Marketplace. One of these shelves was in the old print shop holding tools, still kind of is. I guess that shelf is kind of holding tools and screws and things just for my household repairs. I'll spin around here quick. We got more room back in here, so probably going to be more of my mechanical room storage kind of stuff here. Ladders and some items, wood saws and things like that. But we got plenty of room out here for another line of printer stands or whatever we do. These shelves, I was able to pick up a lot more bins, so items ready to ship, just filament ready to grab and use on things I'm working with right now. So items ready to grab and ship, some parts ready to assemble, prepackaged items ready to ship, which that should be a whole lot more here soon. That is way behind. I just realized this weekend that I am far behind on having items ready. We just kind of depleted big time here during the move, so I really need to stock up on items. Other items that are finished, ready to go, finished items ready to go, finished items, some items to assemble, some items finished, some items to assemble, miscellaneous pile of things. And so yeah, there's all that. Here is the shipping rack. So boxes. This shelf was stuffed full here last weekend. I am selling a lot. Boxes are going quick. Gonna need another order. The bubble wrap, mailing, mailer padded mailer envelopes, Some other boxes, some more padded envelopes of other sizes here. That's what's going on. Spin around here, the dehumidifier. I had to wire this thing in, or pipe this thing in, to drain there. This basement is producing a lot of humidity, so it's a struggle to keep it dry. I'm hoping when I put the wall up that'll help. Here is some new filament that this rack was much fuller than this a couple weeks ago, but I still have, what's going on here? So I still have some GST that, these are colors I don't use often. I probably purchased a while ago. So they're not my regular everyday colors of things. My everyday colors were up on the top here, and I'm almost out. I just bought an 11 pack, and I'm almost out already. Filament, but what I'm using here, I do have some orange. A couple of my items use that orange. Silver, I use a lot of silver. When the GST started having problems, I shifted over to this, what is it, 3D Max. And I'm almost out of that 3D Max. I'm just finishing up the last couple of rolls now. It was good. It's kind of just like the GST. But somebody else recommended this, what is it called here? New Makers. So I am 3 rolls into that so far. My first roll started jamming up big time. Ends up that it's just, you need to heat the nozzle more. You got to melt that stuff hot, and then it looks really good. So trying that out. Got a couple colors I didn't get to try yet, but I've been blasting through the white. It's nice and bright, and it's printing smooth when that nozzle is hotter. So I'm gonna have to redo a lot of my all my files on my USBs for my printers for that. I've been tweaking it kind of. When I start to print, just kind of go in and tweak it manually, and it's a pain. But yeah, New Makers. I think they're out of the U.S. here. They shipped quick, and the prices are great when you buy lots of quantities. They're sealed very well with a Ziploc style bag in a box, and then the box is also shrink wrapped, so packaged very well, shipped very fast. Came with a personal letter thanking me for trying it out, and also got a sample of some wood PLA, which I'm kind of excited to try. So maybe we'll try that out. But yes, I'm printing at 215 on GST 3D Max. Have to print at 230 with that, so it doesn't jam up. But there's the filament rack. We'll need another order. Probably going to do that this week. But it ships quick, so that's good. So another order this week to get my whites and my black filament that I use a lot of. Nothing. Hey, on this side here is the shipping and assembly area. So yeah, labels pop out here, ship boxes up there, assembling things here, lots of orders, custom orders getting prepped to be made, where I clamp certain items together, magnets for certain items, all the tools. They were using the Wise smart switches here to control these printers, and if we follow that random wire up, I do have a camera up there and a camera up there, just looking down so I can kind of remotely see things are done. It comes switch colors on filaments, things like that. So here's the work desk, which was a rat's nest before. It's looking much better now. I'll try to keep that clean. But that's the work area. I got comfier chairs. These used to be in the island in the kitchen in the old house, and the kids have stained them up with breakfast, lunch, and dinner, so they're now my chairs. We got the padded things down here. Just be cozy while I work on the feet. But that's the quick of the new shop. I'm not 100% sure what I'm doing back here. I may finish out this wall just to keep things warmer so I can finish it off, make it look nicer. May paint these walls. The plan will eventually be to put some kind of a ceiling in here. You don't want this insulation dirt falling on your print beds and as people move up above. But I've got a big area here, lots of room. I've been researching and thinking, man, should I get into the laser engraver, laser cutter too? I don't know. 3D printing's keeping me busy. Numbers are going up, doing well. And I know what I need to do to scale it. It's just, I mean, can I? Do I have the time? So that's it for now. I'll keep updating as things grow. I'm going to get 2 more tables in, like I said, more printers, and a shipping area. Got to make this setup easy to work for my wife as she comes down the package. She hasn't had to do that yet. I've been holding out shipping until I get home on Fridays or on Mondays when I leave for work out of town. I've been doing that. She did have to make one trip to the post office, but everything was pre-packaged for her, so she could just grab it, label it, and go. So that's the temporary print shop for now. Stay tuned for more. And man, that office. I think I'm going to put a couch in there or something I can take a nap on. So, hey, we see my reflection. There I am. Thanks for watching.